Hello, little helpers. Do you know what we use to clean our homes, classrooms, and playgrounds? Let's explore some common cleaning objects around us together. This is a broom and a dustpan. We use them to sweep the floor and pick up dirt. And here's a mop and a bucket. We dip the mop in water and clean the floor. This is a sponge and a soft cloth. We use them to wipe windows and mirrors until they sparkle. And look, a toilet brush. We use it to clean the toilet and keep the bathroom fresh and neat. When we help clean, we keep our space happy, healthy, and beautiful. Teamwork makes everything better. Cleaning is caring. So next time you see a broom or cloth, grab it and help out. Bye bye, super cleaners. Until we meet again.